Welcome to Unlocking His Desires, a YouTube channel dedicated to helping women get their relationship lives. We know that breakups can be tough, and the thought of getting back together with an ex can be overwhelming. But with the right approach, you can increase your chances of winning him back. That's why we're here to provide you with tips, strategies, and insights on how to win back the one you love. Before we dive into the tips, we want to remind you to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button to receive notifications for our latest videos. This way, you'll never miss an update on how to make your ex obsessed with you again. Now, let's talk about the first step in getting your ex back. Before you can even think about rekindling your relationship, you need to take some time to heal and reflect. Breakups can be emotionally draining, and it's important to give yourself the time and space to grieve the loss of the relationship. This means taking a break from social media, avoiding contact with your ex, and focusing on yourself. Once you've given yourself some time to heal, it's important to start working on yourself. This means taking care of your physical and mental well-being, setting new goals for yourself, and focusing on your passions and hobbies. When you're feeling confident and happy, it's much easier to attract your ex back into your life. Another important aspect of getting your ex back is understanding the reasons why the relationship ended in the first place. This means being honest with yourself and your ex about what went wrong, and taking responsibility for your actions. By addressing these issues and working on them, you can prevent them from happening again in the future. The next step is to re-establish contact with your ex. This can be done through a casual text message, a phone call, or even a casual run-in. The key here is to keep things light and friendly. You don't want to come on too strong or pressure your ex into getting back together. Once you've re-established contact, it's important to start building a new connection with your ex. This means finding common ground, spending time together, and building trust and intimacy. The more you can connect with your ex on a deeper level, the more likely they are to become obsessed with you again. Finally, it's important to be patient. Getting an ex back takes time, and it's important to let things unfold naturally. The more you can be patient and understanding, the more likely your ex is to come back to you. In conclusion, getting an ex back is a process that takes time and patience. It's important to understand why the relationship ended, to focus on healing and personal growth, to re-establish contact, to build a new connection, to address the issues that led to the breakup, to be patient and understanding, and to remember that not all relationships are meant to be. If you have any question or need help, don't hesitate to reach out to us, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button to receive notifications for our latest videos.